Hello once again. Well, I didn't think there would be a part 3 to this video, but there is going to be a part 3 because it's about the USB header, something I did not realise at the time, and I should have done. This case only has 2 USB ports, and they're USB 3.0s. So why would there be a USB 2.0 header? Well, because as we're going to pull that out because we don't need that in. Right, reasons why that's there and reason why that's like that is just in case your motherboard or you don't have access to a USB 3 card. Yeah, your motherboard may not be USB 3.0, might not have a header. Like this motherboard hasn't got a header for USB 3. So if I didn't have this card, I'll have to use my USB 2, and these USB 3.0s will act as USB 2.0s. So because I've got a USB 3 card, there's no need to plug the USB 2 in, because there is no USB 2, so that can come out. So now I never used it. I never tried the USB 3, so probably didn't. Lucky I didn't. I don't know what would have happened if there was a USB 2 and a USB 3 plugged into these. I don't know what would have happened. Probably would have confused it. But now it's just a USB 3, so that's all okay now. Anyway, I thought I'd clear that up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.